Hi guys, this is Tamara Hergert. I just wanted to give you a little tour of the community and show you around. So this is our home page and just a feed of everything and what's going on. And then there's the discovery mode. Here you can see all the top posts and members near you. Right now you cannot really see anyone because we're in the demo mode and it's just me hanging out. So also here, very nice feature, you can see who is near you, basically who is local to you, the newest members, hosts, ambassadors, and who is online now. You can also see people here. And then there's an about section, and then invite. You can invite people to the community and earn rewards as an ambassador. So then there is also topics, welcome. You will have a welcome article there and my first question to you, and then feedback. You can submit feedback to me through here, and then artist spotlight. This is where all the interviews with artists would be, and then best practices, that's where you'll find all the best practices, and then support. So just everything you need is here. And then this is our Q&A meeting. This is how you sign up for Q&A. Go in, maybe not go in. And then this is courses or masterclasses. So you can sign up for masterclasses here. Getting commission projects is available on demand now. Working on commissions and licensing your art are going to be live in December and March respectively. And then there's contact support link that takes you to the Mighty Networks general support. And if you have a super hard question for me, just shoot me a direct message. And you can also change your notifications in this little bell here. And then this little checklist is just to help you navigate through the community and kind of get familiar with stuff. You know, I'm asking you to read the welcome article. It just kind of shows you around and talks about what we do here and how it works. And then just questions, and you know, introduce yourself and adjust your notifications so you don't get too many emails. And then if you want, you can invite somebody to the community as well. So lots of love to you. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.